Welcome to shop early Black Friday of Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum with XL HEPA Self-Empty Base, Bagless, 60-day capacity, LIDAR navigation, perfect for pet hair, compatible with Alexa. Wi-Fi connected, carpet and hard floor. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Short features highlight are include. The Shark AI Robot Self-Empty combines the latest innovations for a whole home clean you can't get from any other robot. Features include, Shark's patented suction power, AI laser navigation for precision cleaning and object avoidance, ultra clean mode for targeted deep cleaning, and a HEPA 60-day capacity base that'll keep your home's air free of dust and allergens with every clean. If you want to get full features and full details of Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum with XL HEPA Self-Empty Base, please visit the link in YouTube description. And if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.